Hi, I'm Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl, and today I am bringing you chocolate. Chocolate, no surprise there, is the most craved food in North America. But along with chocolate typically comes lots of calories and fat grams, so I am here with 5 things you need to satisfy a chocolate craving without guilt. Okay, first item, dark cocoa powder. This stuff is a lifesaver. It has only 10 calories a tablespoon, and you can use it in baking, and it has very, very rich chocolate flavor, packs a great chocolate punch for hardly any calories. Item number 2, mini chocolate chips. Love these because they're chocolate chips. And they only have 23 calories a teaspoon, and a little goes a long way. You can use these when you bake. You can use it along with the cocoa powder. Can't live without these guys. My third item today, low-fat fudge bars. These are great any time of year, even though they're frozen. I eat them winter, summer, spring, or fall. You just have to read the boxes. You want to look for bars that have 100 calories or less and only about a fat gram or 2. And if they have fiber, that's just an added bonus. Okay, my fourth chocolate item today is chocolate cereal. Believe it or not, chocolate cereal packs a very strong chocolate punch for not a lot of calories. Typically, the cereals have about 110 or 120 calories per serving, and they're great to use in parfaits. You can use them in smoothies and low-fat shakes. And my final item today, Brownie Crisps. Luckily, these are all the rage right now. You can find these on store shelves. They have about 150 calories or less. And if you were going to eat a regular brownie, you'd be taking in about 500 or 600 calories. So that's a way better option. Those are my chocolate items that you absolutely need for a guilt-free chocolate craving. And for more chocolate tips and tricks, check out the spring issue of Hungry Girl magazine on newsstands now, or you can find it at hungry-girl.com. I'm Lisa Lillian. Till next time, chew the right thing.